Abs workout. There is no better abs exercises than this at home. I will provide you with a detailed plan based on the scientific foundations of abdominal exercises, taking into account training divisions based on skill levels: beginner, immediate, professional. I will explain the biological and muscular goals behind each stage, as well as the impact of diet on achieving the best results. Basic exercises for abdominal muscles. The abdominal muscles consist of several muscle groups, including the transverse muscles of the abdomen. These are the deep muscles that contribute to the stability of the body. The rectus abdominis muscles, which form the six-pack known as the shape of the sculpted abdomen. The external and internal oblique muscles, which play a role in moving and rotating the trunk. These muscles are trained with different types of exercises that aim to strengthen and define this area. First, beginners' main goals: build the muscular foundation, improve motor coordination, and strengthen the core muscles, enhance stability, leading to better control of body movements. Scientific details. During the first phase of training, the goal is to learn the correct exercise technique and ensure that the muscles are activated correctly. Beginners should focus on strengthening the deep muscles such as the transverse abdominis, which help stabilize the trunk and improve posture. Number of sets and reps. Sets: 3 sets per exercise, number 10 to 12 reps per set. Rest between sets 45 to 60 seconds. Intensity low to moderate, with emphasis on the sensation of the muscles during the exercise. In this phase, you learn how to activate the muscles effectively without adding external resistance or stressing the body. Second, intermediate main goals. Increase muscle strength, improve muscle endurance, enhance the ability to handle exercises with increasing resistance. Scientific details. After mastering the basics, it becomes necessary for the intermediate exerciser to raise the level of challenge by increasing the intensity, whether by using additional resistance or performing more complex movements. In this phase, the large abdominal muscles, such as the rectus and oblique muscles, are activated. Over time, it becomes necessary to strengthen each part of the abdominal muscles to improve coordination and the ability to perform advanced movements. Number of sets and reps. Sets: 4 to 5 sets per exercise, number 15 to 20 reps per set. Rest between sets 30 to 45 seconds. Intensity medium to high with increased resistance if possible. The focus is on developing muscular endurance and the ability of the muscles to handle increasing stress, which contributes to gradual muscle growth. Third, professionals advanced main objectives: increase muscle mass, maximize the benefits of intensive training techniques, increase the definition and clarity of the abdominal muscles by reducing fat and increasing the challenge of the exercise. Scientific details. Scientific details. At this stage, the body is ready to move on to exercises that require high endurance and increased resistance. Professionals work to increase the intensity to the maximum possible, which requires continuous muscle stimulation using various training techniques, such as exercises that require complex movements or using tools to increase resistance. The focus here is not only on increasing strength, but also on muscle definition, i.e. the clear appearance of the muscles by reducing the fat that may cover the number of sets and reps. Sets: 5 to 6 sets per exercise. Number 25 to 30 repetitions per set. Rest between sets 20 to 30 seconds. Intensity very high, with the use of additional resistance if necessary. At this stage, the exercise should be comprehensive for all parts of the abdomen and include additional challenges to stimulate muscle growth and achieve the final shape. The role of diet in highlighting abdominal muscles. Even if you have the strongest abdominal muscles, the fat accumulated around the abdomen can prevent their appearance. Therefore, diet plays a crucial role in highlighting abdominal muscles by reducing fat percentage and supporting muscle building. This means that a calorie deficit must be achieved and a balance must be achieved between proteins, carbohydrates, And healthy fats important nutritional factors to achieve the best results, reducing excess fat by reducing daily calories by 10% to 20% of the total daily needs, increasing protein to ensure proper muscle building and increase fat metabolism. It is recommended to consume 1.6 to 2.2 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight, reducing refined sugars. Simple carbohydrates such as sugar and soft drinks contribute to fat accumulation. Focus on healthy fats such as unsaturated fatty acids found in fish, nuts, and vegetable oils that support hormonal health and help reduce inflammation. Increasing fiber. Foods rich in fiber, such as vegetables and fruits, help improve digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, which contributes to weight control. Summary. Level 1. Beginners begins with learning basic techniques and deep muscle activation. Level 2. Intermediate includes increased intensity and focus on muscular strength and endurance. I want to teach you some things, and I want you to know that I love you all. So listen carefully. Every little step brings you closer to your goal. Don't stop. Change starts from within. Success doesn't come with comfort, but with constant determination. Keep working, and you will see the results. The road to change may be difficult, but behind it is a better version of you. Your determination is the secret of your strength. The pain you feel now is the strength you will gain tomorrow. Don't give up because you are stronger than you think. Transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with every effort you put in, you get a step closer to your goal. If you're ready to face today's challenges tomorrow, you will be stronger and more determined. Your commitment today is the success you will reap tomorrow. Don't let hesitation stop you. Your achievements are not measured by the number of exercises you have done only, but by your ability to continue despite the challenges. You will not regret the work you put in silently. The results will speak for themselves. It's not just about reaching your goal. It's about the growth that happens on your journey toward that goal. If you feel tired, know that you are getting closer to your goal. Persistence is the key to success. Every small step is an investment in your future health and body, so keep moving forward with confidence and motivation. Giving up is not an option. The effort you put in today is the reward you will reap tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive everything new.